forget to like, share and subscribe.
Hello students, today we are going to discuss functions. What is function? Function is a special type of relation. Definition: a relation f from a set A to a set B is said to be function if every element of set A has one and only one image in set B. One and only one image in set B. We can also say every element of set A has exactly one image in set B. Exactly one image in set B, or we can say unique image in set B. Let us consider two relations and check these are function or not. Let f and g are two functions. Two relations from set A to set B, and G's function from set C to set D. First, we will take two elements 2, 3, 1, 4, 9. Here we will take 0, 2, 4. 0, 1, 4. Defined by fx equal to x square, and this is defined by gx equal to x square. Now find image of each element of set A. Take x equal to 2. So we get f2 equal to 4, means image of 2 is 4, means 2 is exactly related to 4. Now put x equal to 3, so we get 3 square, means 3 is exactly related to 9. So by definition, every element of set A has unique image in set B, exactly one image in set B. Exactly one image means each एलिमेंट से हमको सिर्फ एक ही एरो निकलना चाहिए. अगर एक से ज्यादा एरो निकलेंगे मतलब इट इज नॉट अ फंक्शन, और कोई भी एलिमेंट इधर बचना नहीं चाहिए. अब नाउ जी पुट x equal to 0, then we get 0. So 0 is exactly related to 0. Now put x equal to 2. 2 is exactly related to 4. g2 equal to 4. Now put 4. g4 equal to 16, and there is no element 16 in second set, यानी g4 की कोई भी इमेज नहीं है. There is no image of element 4 in second set. So g is not a function. Every element of first set has exactly one image in second set, but this element is left, so g is not a function. Some more example. There are four relations from set A to set B. First check F1. F1 is a relation from A to B. This element is related to this, and this element is related to this. Means image of this element is this, image of this element is this. So by definition, every element of set A has exactly one image in set B. इसकी देखो एक ही इमेज, क्योंकि एक ही एरो ऐसे निकल रहा है और इससे भी एक ही एरो निकल रहा है, सो एक्जेक्टली वन इमेज. सो देयरफॉर f1 इज अ फंक्शन. नाउ चेक f2. एवरी एलिमेंट ऑफ सेट A हैज एक्जेक्टली वन इमेज इन सेट B. तो इमेज तो है एवरी एलिमेंट की, बट दिस एलिमेंट हैज टू डिफरेंट इमेजेस. यहां से दो एरो निकल रहे हैं. किसी भी एलिमेंट से अगर दो एरो निकलेंगे मतलब इट इज नॉट अ फंक्शन. So F2 is not a function. F3. This element exactly every element of this set has exactly one image in this set. This element is related to this element is related to this, only one arrow. So F3 is a function. F4. First two element has different image in second set. This element has exactly one image, this element has exactly one image, and there is no image of that element in set B. So it is not a function. Remarks. Number 1. F A to B. Meaning of F A to B means F is a function from a set A to a set B, or we can also write F is a mapping from A to B or a set A to set B. Remark number 2. F is a function from A to B defined by Fa equal to B. Then B is called image of A, and A is called pre-image of B. Remark number 3. F is a function from A to B. Then first set is always called domain and second set is called codomain. Next remark. 4. Let f is a function from x to y defined by fx equal to y. X means input. Actually function is work same as machine. Input or output. The set of input is called domain, and the set of all possible values of y means fx is called range. Fifth point, domain of a function. We can write domain f, or we can also write df, short form, capital D with f. Domain of a function is the set of all elements x means input for which fx is real, means fx is real number. 6. Range of a function. We can also write range f or short form RF. The set of all possible values of fx is called range of f. We can also say image set. Range f is equal to image set. Now we discuss few problems. If f is a function from this to this defined by fx equal to x square, where x belong to 1, 2, 3, find domain, codomain and range of function. We know that if f is a function from a to b, then first set is always called domain and second set is called codomain. So therefore domain is equal to set of first set, means 1, 2, 3. Codomain the set of second set, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. And range f. Range f means image set. Range f means image set. There are three elements. Image of 1 is denoted by f1, image of 2 is denoted by f2, image of 3 is denoted by f3. f1 equal to 1 square 1, f2 2 square 4, f3 3 square 9. So range f equal to 1, 4, 9. Now take another question. If f is a function from 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 4, 9 defined by fx equal to x square, where x belong to 1, 2, 3, find range f. अब range f means image set. There are three elements in first set. So image of 1 f1, image of 2 f2, image of 3 f3 is equal to 1, 4, 9. Now observe these two questions. In first question, range f equal to 1, 4, 9, which is subset of codomain. Subset of codomain. In second question, range f equal to 1, 4, 9, which is equal to codomain. Because f is a function from this to this, then first set is always called domain and second set is called codomain. So equal to codomain. So conclusion is remark number 6. Range f is always subset or equal to codomain. It's depend on problem. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में डोमेन और रेंज निकालने के लिए पहले हम इनिक्विटीज को सीखेंगे, क्योंकि डोमेन और रेंज निकालने में बच्चों को प्रॉब्लम्स आती है। अगर वो इनिक्विटी अच्छे से कर पाएंगे तो डोमेन और रेंज अच्छे से कर पाएंगे। Thank you. Have a nice day.